Hello, this is Seth Asria. I just want to give you a quick demonstration of the office supplies document, downloaded from Offsite Associates. Right here, I have it open. Right now, I'm working on a PC. This is Vista, um, and I have Adobe Reader here, which of course is free. And I hope if you have the document, you've already downloaded it. You need Reader 8 or 9 to make this work. So here's the document. Just give you a quick overview of what Reader is. Reader is a deceptively powerful piece of software, and the basic elements are the top part of the screen, the well, which is where the toolbars are contained, and then the left side, which is the navigation panes. Each one of these little icons, if you click on it, tells you something different. This one tells you about the document that you can add comments. This is the pages pane, so you can see exactly what is going on. All the pages in the document. This is the signature pane. If it was signed, the information would be here, and then here is some other information that varies based on the document. Down at the bottom is the paperclip, which is the attachments. This document has one attachment to it. It has my resume I attached to it, and you can attach as many as you like. And Adobe has done a lot of really great things with making documents, having documents do things that not documents normally don't do. Their files are like hybrids. And these documents kind of act like emails almost. And then the big ticket item here is the comments pane, which holds all of the comments that are applied to this particular document. And we'll get back to this in a second. This is really where the action happens for reviewing um, documents with Reader. So if we go back to the top here, and here's the explanations of the things I just showed you. The what we're going to want to do is we'll close this out. You can always X this out whenever you're working in here. You can always X these out. We want to have more tools available. So what we can do is we can go to view, and we can go to toolbars, and then check the ones we want. In this case, we'd want comment and markup. There's an easier way to get there with this particular document as well. By clicking review and comment, you just say, it'll toggle it on and off, show comment and toolbars. So this is really all you're going to need to apply everything that I've applied to this document. What you can do is just go starting over here with the sticky note, which is just click on that, and then you just click on the page anywhere, and then write something. New comment, and you can change the way it looks by clicking options, and then go to properties. And let's say you wanted a red cross here because maybe this is a troublesome kind of thing. And there you go. And there's one way of communicating with sticky notes. There are, of course, the classic text edits. This tool has insert text, delete text, replace text, and you can see I've applied some of these things down here. And again, everything pops up as a to show what has been written in the comment. And all of these things, Acrobat treats as Adobe treats as a comment here. So here are the stamps. These are nice too. You can have a dynamic stamp, which is what I did over there. Oh, there we go. Approved. Let's say received. Now this is the first time I've used this installation to use a dynamic stamp, so I would have to put my information here. So this is what you could do as well when you download Reader and you go ahead and put a stamp on there. You put all your information in there and so forth, and then whenever you stamp stuff in between you and your lawyer, that information will show up. So that's what you need. Here's and you can resize these things, of course, and move them around. Pretty much you can do anything with this thing. And then here's the highlighting tool, which is right here. You just want to highlight something, you just drag it out and highlight it. You highlight that, and then you can change the appearance of this. All of these things operate similarly, in that you can change the way they look, you can change how they function. And then to review all of the comments, like I said, we'll get back to this comment pane here. You can go down, and here's the stamp I just added on page one. And once I click on it, it brings me back and highlights that particular comment feature. So you can put, say, new stamp, and then we can leave that there, and then you can individually go by and say, you can check the status. That you can see this is accepted, perhaps, and you can reply to it. So you can say, what are you talking about here? Could you please make yourself more clear? So this way, everything is contained all in one place, perfectly legible, perfectly recorded, and it is a fantastic way to collaborate and work with documents. So, and of course, if you don't want to use this, you don't have to. But it is, I love it, and I think that after a few minutes of playing around with it, you will think it's absolutely great too. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you're using a Mac, by the way, it's basically the same thing. Here's a Mac, and it looks essentially the same, and it operates essentially the same. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy playing around with the sample.